For future studies, or for future time points in this study, it would be useful to apply the ROIs that we've drawn here to the mouse images at future time points. This can readily be done as well. Let's go ahead and single click on this image and go to Measure, Save ROIs to File. We'll say Image 1. It could be any one of the images, in fact. Continue, and give it a name. We'll call it 10 mouse ROI, and hit OK for that. And now what we have is a saved set of ROIs that can be applied to future image files. Let's go ahead, by way of proof of concept. We can go back out. We could have done this in either zoomed in or zoomed out scenario. We can go ahead and delete all ROIs. And now go to Measure, whereas previously we had just saved the ROIs to File, we can go to Restore ROIs from File and hit Restore ROIs. And there you are. So that is a nice time save when it comes to applying ROIs to multiple time points of group require images or single images in a time course study.